So this was about a week of work, but I'm already super excited to like go do something with it. I've used it a few times, and it is like crazy easy to find stuff now. Everything's got a label. Everything's got a place. Everything is in its place. This wrench hanging system is pretty awesome. They just pop right out of there and they don't come off. I dramatically reduced the amount of tools I have in my box to just the essentials. This drawer used to be full of junk. And just chock full of junk. Now it's exactly what I need, and I even have like tons of extra space. I did keep some things down here. This is probably room for improvement down here still. And then I have a box of future continuous improvement right here. But this is all the low use tools, or maybe even stuff I don't need in my box. We'll see. I got drill hangers over here, flashlight hanger hidden back there, vice grips, and then I moved my trash can back here so I'll be out of the way, just on some magnets. And I got my little knee pad for knee safety, all nice and leaned up, 3S to the max.